We are staying in the coolest place. We slept in a semi-truck last night. I'm just cruising on this guy's property. Alright, we just set up camp for the night and we are in a semi-truck right now. All of our clothes are on top of our tents so that they dry, because today it was pouring rain. But we're in the back of a huge semi-truck. Yeah, we decided to put our tents up because of the bugs, but we just kind of exploded. This is John Mark's tent. It is very, very large, but it's dry. It's dry. Also, it is 9:30 p.m. What day is it? 9:30 p.m. Sunday, June 27th, 2021, in Baldwin, near Baldwin, Wisconsin. I think we did as good as we could today.
Yep.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. We slept in a semi-truck last night. This is a semi-truck. We put our tents in because of the bugs, but it was nice and dry, nice and warm, and we had no issues yet. We still have to leave, but it is 6:10 in the morning because we want to get out and early. This morning we have cocoa wheat, honey, and apple. Ellen had some oatmeal with dried fruit, and John Mark also has instant oatmeal, but he thinks he's gonna go in the gas station and get more food. But this is very, very good. Wisconsin is known for its cheese. Look at that big sign. Here's the crew this morning. How are you guys doing?
Lots of pills. Doing great.
Yeah.
Craving a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. That would be nice.
Ellen's craving a grilled cheese sandwich, and she says there's lots of hills in western Wisconsin. It looked pretty flat right now, but trust me, we just went up and down the biggest hill ever. I was getting the speed wobbles, if you know what that is. Pretty scary, but it is pouring, absolutely pouring. But we have a big day today, so we're just gonna keep going until it's unsafe. But that's a big storm over there. Nice and soaked is what I like to call it. Ow! Go, go, go! I think we should just keep going. That doesn't part. Yep. Oh my gosh. That's so much water. We are soaked. But it's not raining, just when we stop biking for lunch. It's not raining, but and guys, we have some dogs. We bike, right? We just keep going? No. 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 Oh my gosh, that was scary. We are staying in the coolest place. we found this cabin off of the app Warm Showers. Basically people put their room, usually their house, but this guy put his cabin up on the website for us to stay in, and just let me show you what's inside. It's amazing. So you walk in and it's like this awesome rustic place. Wow. Oh my goodness. Apparently there's a sauna here.
Yeah, that might be, that shed.
Here's the bathroom. Washer, dryer. Me in all my glory. Wow.
Whoa, they have the lemonade.
Beautiful. Out here. The scenery.
If you had more time, I love it.
The school bus.
Tour on the Wheeler.
I am in a Ranger right now, looking at the gorgeous sunset in Wisconsin. This is literally just magic. Like, people are so awesome. People are so awesome. They let me drive their Ranger by their ponds, on their property. Like, what? My soul is just so happy. Oh, there's a school bus. Oh my gosh. I want my picture on the I don't know, find a trail that way. Yeah, that one looks good. This is a cranberry farm. Oh, don't get stuck. It's really dark. Boop.
The lighting is good.
Oh, Uber picked us up.
Would you like a ride back
Yes,
to the
please.
cabin?
Yes, please. Okay, we're going to the sauna. So you go out here, out the fancy cabin, across the yard to the sauna house. You have to put one of these hats on, and I'm not gonna put the slippers on, but I'm supposed to put the hat on. Oh my gosh. It fogs up. I was in the sauna for like 5-6 minutes, and I am drenched in sweat, absolutely drenched. And I'm excited to go take a nice shower in the cabin. Oh, I have to take this hat off. The owner said that you're supposed to wear these Russian hats, and the Russian slippers. I did not wear the slippers, but you're supposed to wear the Russian hats when you're in the sauna because it keeps you cool. So I was like, well, you have to listen to the local, but oh, it feels so good out here. I am dripping sweat. I sweat so much today too because Wisconsin is humid. We are in the Midwest now, so it is humid. So I didn't want to be in there too long. Okay, also, every time I walk in, this thing scares us a little bit because it looks so real. Because obviously it's a mountain. It is real. Well, it was real, but I'm just gonna make some breakfast, and I'm gonna show you kind of like what I do to make breakfast. Maybe we'll do what I eat in a day on a bike trip because we have 70 miles, so it's pretty much a normal day. We just stayed in this awesome place.